Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start immediately by confirming prerequisites. You must be LV. 25, hold 3 spark shards and a storm core. Once done, head to the Thundervale spawn point at dawn in game. This maximizes lightning event frequency. Move quickly, engage nearby mobs to build ambient charge because the game ties spawn weight to active electrical charge. Make sure to equip a ranged pet and activate 1 lightning rune. These increase your loot roll. This first burst of preparation shortens once the storm event triggers. Focus on sustaining a 75 to 90% local charge by continuously killing charged mobs and consuming spark shards when charge dips. You should alternate burst damage with pauses to let the charge pool regenerate. This is why ranged attacks help. They keep you safe and continuous. Make sure to stay inside the storm circle to preserve spawn weight. Keep an eye on the event timer and conserve 1 spark shard for the final spawn window to maximize your lightning ball appearance chance. When the event nears the last 30 seconds, consume your final spark shard to push the spawn probability over the threshold. This is the decisive nudge. If the lightning ball appears, you must grab it immediately. Items despawn quickly, so drop combat and sprint to it. If it doesn't spawn, don't panic. Wait the full respawn cycle, reconfirm your LV. 25 an item counts, then repeat the process with better charge management. A common fix is swapping to a higher luck pet before retrying.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.